That's what happened the last
I
time
don't
I played
have
with headset.
blue.
Just take that. Fine.
Good decision.
Dun 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 dun.
Is it one of those?
Dun, 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 dun. Yes. Take that.
If this comes all the way back to me and I get +8, I'm gonna leave. No! 18 cards.
Are you leaving now?
I really want.
Please
Don't
don't.
laugh at me.
Oh, go. I finally have someone I can
I'm
annoy.
very upset right now. Yeet. Why?
Oh my god! I can't even keep track of how much you have.
Yeah, look at all that wealth I got. You know what? I'm reversing it just so I can use my +4 on Barbara. I don't even care that she's a bot. I'm using it on her. Oh yeah, draw again. Oh, damn it.
Oh, who's playing now?
Okay, and someone joins in late as
What?
the guy with Uno.
What? Do the 4+ on him. Do it. Do it.
Yeah, but he can challenge it. I'm just gonna get 6 cards back. Oh, and I made it the color it already was. He's definitely gonna challenge it. I'm an idiot.
Oh no!
Hope he doesn't have yellow.
No!
Oh my god, he did.
No! Why, Barbara?
This guy is my main target now. This guy is 100% my target.
Oh, this person's leaving. Battle Royale left. What a shame.
What did I do to you?
I like how you were like, you are my intentional target now, and then immediately, what did I do to you?
I don't have red. I don't have yellow.
What do you have?
I have green. And blue. I just let other people use me for content. It's okay.
Good. That's all I'm really doing right now. Why? There we go. No, no.
That's what you get for using me, man.
I'm kidding.
No, you're not.
We have a friendship
You
going.
are, but you're not.
No. Well, we had a friendship going until you skipped me.
Uno. Oh, I guess we do have a friendship.
What? I was hoping you didn't have blue. What is the chuckling?
I don't even know what that was. Okay.
I want to make an
was like-
animated series out of this. It was a joke.
It's a joke.
It's a joke. Suddenly Russian.
Why are you looking at mine? He has 2 cards.
Just to piss you off. Yeah, I hope for one thing that my equipment picks up your voice, because if not, this is going to be a really really embarrassing video. Oh crap. I am so frickin' cold. It's ridiculous.
Are you kidding me? You know what? I know he does not have yellow, so I'm keeping it yellow. I don't care.
I don't have yellow.
Well, neither does he. That's a point. If you can make it red, I can hurt him.
I have a blue.
Just don't hurt me in the process.
Crap!
No.
Suck it!
Did you just say suck it?
Yeah, of course I did. No! That's gonna be the sound starting the video. Right there.
Bet.
Coda, will you get out of here? Coda, you want to say hi?
I don't know why people like Detroit.
Me either. I don't know why people like
I don't
New
know
York.
how you can like it. All of our sports teams suck. You have a 90% chance of getting shot if you walk by yourself down there.
New York City's the same way. I hate going to New York City.
Never been. I honestly don't plan on ever going.
No, you shouldn't. It is a horrid place to be.
I'm antisocial. I don't like people. I wouldn't go to like one of the most populated cities in America.
That is so true. Coda, you want to say hi? No? You're just staring at me? Okay. Are you challenging me? Get out of here.
Shiza.
That's funny.
Why don't you have yellow? I need this game to be over.
I'm sorry! I'm
We
trying!
played for so long, I can't not get the XP for it.
I'm trying!
Get good, kid. I swear to God. Okay.
Don't.
Smart plays. Smart plays, feller.
Lol. And to my surprise, we are still recording. Oh, crap.
Wow.
It's a real surprise
His
for me.
last card's a blue.
Is it?
God damn it. Go fuck yourself.
Oh,
Of course you don't have green.
I got lucky.
What color do you have?
Red! Red, I have red!
I can change it. Oh my God. Son of a bitch.
You are gonna be running out of the house with like one article of clothing on while running with the
I'm gonna
other.
be getting dressed in my card at this point. Oh my God, and of course that's the guy who had no points. Okay, whatever, I'm still backing out. I have to go.
Okay. Well. Don't die on me now, controller. And it did. Well, that was Uno. That was my friend. You can go check him out on Xbox. Yeah. See you all later. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Let us know what you want to see next.
Press our icon to subscribe.
Don't forget to go watch our other videos.
And smash that like button!
And follow us on social media.
And never forget, the sass was not intended.
Well, maybe it was a little intended.
Anyway, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!